All right, so this is what we call our 9 VIP buyer benefits, just what you get by working with our team. Of course, you get pre-approved free of charge. We've already talked about our 24-month Love It or List It program, the home warranty, and getting access to homes before they hit the market. And then some homes that are for sale that a lot of buyers don't know about, I'm going to make sure you guys get access to those as well. And then we also have number 5 here. We have our real estate investors program where we teach you how to build wealth for your family. So if you have any interest in, buying, flipping properties, that type of stuff, we do seminars that are quarterly where we teach you step by step how to do that. Maybe, Yvonne is interested, or your kids or somebody. It doesn't cost you anything. We don't want one dime from you. It's just my way of giving back to our clients to help them build wealth for their families, right? It's the quickest way to do it. And then you get all our entire team of pros at no extra cost. We talked about the cancellation guarantee, and then all the competent affiliates that we work with, law firms, home inspectors, everybody that we work with in our network is at a very high level and has very high credentials to get stuff done the right way the first time. And then 9, you get back by our price, terms, and conditions guarantee. And this is our Love It or List It guarantee I talked about, where it says if you decide to sell your home within the first 24 months, we'll sell it for free. And so I'll sign this. I'm going to send this over to you to sign as well.
Okay.
This is our cancellation guarantee. It says if we don't deliver the service we promise, you can fire us at any time. And I'm going to give you this as well. So I've already signed. This is our buyer brokerage agreement that allows you to be a customer, client of ours versus just a customer. And so it talks about, all the ways that we work with you. It talks about our commission is at 3.5%. It talks about a processing fee and a broker fee, right? That's normally all paid by the seller, not by you. Certain circumstances where the seller doesn't cover it all, a small portion maybe have to be covered by you guys, but it'll all work out in the end. All right. And so this is just all the Georgia lawyers put this stuff together. I'm not going to go through all that for you. It's the standard agreement between a real estate company and a client. And I've already signed this, so I'll send that over to you as well. We talked about Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. Unbelievable hospital. I really love it to death. And we support them for years and years and years. So this is a way that we build our business through referrals. You came to me from a referral out of North Carolina. And this form here is how we build our business. So I want you guys to ask yourself, who do you know at your job, church, family, or friend that owns a home or might want to buy a home? That could be anywhere in the world, because I have an international team. I can do business in all 50 states and also 23 countries. So I just want you to look in your cell phone and maybe just give us 3 names of people we might be able to help. And then you'll also be helping, save these kids' lives as well.
No, and we now that you mentioned that, we got some friends that they are afraid to buy a house now because they've been in the US only for 1 year. Yeah. But I know there are always options there. So I'm gonna refer you to those guys. And those guys probably are moving to Atlanta in the same time that we're moving. And I was telling this guy, Jorge, because he's paying $3K a month for rental. I say, man, instead of paying $3K for a rental, you should buy a house and paying $3K for a finance home.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, do they have, we'll talk about it, but do they have visas or green cards, or are illegal?
They are visas too.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we could definitely work with them, 20% down and get that squared away. So a lot of times people don't know that they can purchase. So I thank you for that, right?
That happened to us. Yes.
Yeah, for sure. So this is our affiliated business disclosure. This basically tells you that I own guaranteed home loans 100%. So I have to disclose that to you. The mortgage company, I do own it 100% as well. All right. So I'm going to send these over to you. And I want to get some information from Miss Yvonne and you guys together on this beautiful home that you're going to own. So I'm going to take some notes. And so have you guys kind of looked at what's the maximum mortgage payment you want to pay on a monthly basis?
Right now we are paying $3K a month.
Okay.
And I mean, if we say, all right, let's move up to 3.2, 3.4, but I don't want to be more than that.
Right. Okay. All right, I'm sending those documents to you right now, so you have those. So you can sign them on your phone as well. All right, let me send that to you. Okay, all right, so let me pull this back up. All right, so right now you're paying 3. I mean, I'm sure that's when rates were 2 and 3%. And we'll see whatever they are. We'll get you the best possible financing on the planet, right?